All right, today we're replacing a cabin air filter for a 2019 Kia Sedona. I took this to Jiffy Lube for an oil change the other day, and they quoted me $40. So I went on Amazon and I bought one. It's gonna be a Bosch, I believe, for around 11 bucks. So quick little shot on how to show you how to do this. What we do is we're gonna go ahead and open this up. First step is to pull all your stuff out, and the reason that's so important is so you don't dump everything when you take this apart. You got a notch here and a notch here, so any way you can do this, and this will save you 30 bucks. You're just gonna half turn those things and take these out like that. Actually, there was a little guard here that when they checked mine, they didn't put it back right, as you can see, because it's supposed to latch right here. So when we put it back, we'll show you. But anyway, your cabin air filter is right here. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this guy out. I'm gonna use two hands for this. Okay, so all you have to do is kind of pinch right here, and you can open that up, and there's your cabin air filter. Okay, this is not your engine air filter. This is what your air filter for your air that you breathe. And as you can see, mine is good and dirty there, ready to be replaced. So we're gonna drop that on the ground. Let's open our new one up. Okay, here is my new one. As you can see, this is Bosch. I don't know what the brand they were gonna use at Jiffy Lube, but this one is excellent. And again, you're talking about, I think it was 11 bucks, and they wanted, I think it's 30 or 40 when I asked them there how much to replace it. So big discount by just doing it yourself. It takes you 5 minutes. And for most of us, it's totally worth it, whoever you are. All right, super simple here. We're just gonna go ahead and push it back on in. This is the new one right there. It does have little indicators on which way the airflow is, so just put it back the same way. Now we're gonna go ahead and put our cover back on, which we'll see if I can kind of do that with one hand. Okay, cover's back on. Now all we have to do is reinstall this piece. So again, the first thing is you're gonna take this little guy right here, and you're gonna kind of hook it right there. And that is not necessarily holding anything once it's in. It's just so that if these brackets come out or when you undo them, it doesn't just quickly fall. So it's kind of a little stop right there. So when they at Jiffy Lube looked at mine and they did mine, they didn't put it back right. So again, another reason sometimes why you should do it yourself. Okay, so now we went ahead and put both pieces back in. You just have to work them in one at a time, and then go ahead and turn the little knobs, and then go ahead and put your stuff back in. So like we got some stuff up here. Get rid of the old air filter, and that's it. That was 2 minutes, maybe 5 for most of us, and you've changed your cabin air filter. Easy as that. Thanks for watching.